Good, good, good. Yes, yes, that's it. Hands up, great, that's it. Good. Let's go, 10 seconds, not bad, come on. Good. Yes, remember, need the progression, okay? And watch. Good, 10 seconds. 5. You hit off the floor. That's it, listen, take that knee off the floor if you can. If you cannot, it's just use as a regression. That's okay. Good. If you can. Good. That's it. Okay, stand up. Be like a board. Your body, your feet not high. Look, almost 30 seconds. Good. We passed the 30 seconds. If you want to stop, you can stop. If you not, keep on going. Okay? Keep on going. Now 20, 25, 20 seconds now. Just go, 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 go. That's it. 8 seconds. Good. Go, Shelly. Go, Shelly. That's it. Just bend those up a little bit more. Good time, rest. Not bad. Bring your feet close to your body, okay, and your head down. Move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Stomach on the floor. Good. Open your arms. Good. Remember your foot in the opposite hand. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Yes, not your hand on your foot. Your foot on your hand. Good. 5, 6, 7.